Hi, welcome to the carbon dioxide removal newsroom. Here's your roundup of top CDR developments from this week. Sylvania teamed up with Conservation International and the Nature Conservancy on the Race to Belém initiative, aiming to raise $1.5 billion to generate carbon credits for Amazon rainforest preservation. Repair Carbone has signed a commercial agreement worth $3 million with Shell and Mitsubishi Corporation for the Pelican Direct Air Capture Hub project in Louisiana. Mitsui Lines and Marubeni Corporation announced a joint venture, Marubeni Imoil Forests Company, Limited, to create, trade, and retire nature-based carbon removal credits. Rubicon Carbon partnered with Terradot to integrate enhanced rock weathering solutions into its carbon credit portfolios, providing clients access to advanced CDR technology. Groundwork BioAg partnered with Sustainable Travel International to offer travelers and businesses access to premium carbon removal credits from mycorrhizal fungi applied in cropland. A Danish waste-to-energy company, Vestforbrænding, has partnered with Copenhagen infrastructure partners to build a BECCS site near Copenhagen that could generate carbon credits for corporate buyers. Soletair Power and Carbonaide joined forces to deliver net negative emissions with breakthrough carbon capture and concrete innovation. Aquatic Labs has developed the first commercial sensor that can directly measure total alkalinity in seawater, in situ, in real time, with no reagents, no microfluidics, and climate-scale precision. Microsoft and ReGreen expand their partnership to restore forests in Brazil, covering an area 3 times the size of Paris, with Microsoft purchasing 6.5 million tons of carbon removal offtakes. Carbonmark launched Carbonmark Direct, a blockchain platform enabling project developers to issue carbon credits on-chain quickly and cost-effectively, supporting innovative carbon removal methods. Svanta and Speed Skating Canada launched Save the Ice to spotlight climate change's impact on winter sports. Canadians can help by sharing a video featuring Olympian Gaetan Boucher. Each share removes 0.5 kilograms of CO2 via Svanta's direct air capture partner, DeepSky. 𝐸10Char, a South African startup, is set to launch the country's first significant biochar production facility in early 2025. The facility will produce 7,000 tons of biochar each year, cut 15,000 tons of CO2 emissions, and aid sustainable agriculture. Farvan has purchased carbon removal credits from Inherit Carbon Solutions. UBS is funding the carbon removers' purchase of 4 carbon capture units for whiskey distilleries in Scotland. The 18-year project aims to sequester 599,280 tons of CO2e and deliver 580,000 CDR credits, with UBS receiving a share. Shopify partnered with PlanBoo for a first-of-its-kind biochar carbon removal offtake, supporting a global network of tropical biochar projects while diversifying and de-risking carbon credit delivery. The Carbon to Sea initiative has released draft protocols for ocean alkalinity enhancement field data, which are now open for public comment. The deadline for comments is March 7, 2025. Carbon Direct released a report that offers actionable, evidence-based guidance for biomass-based CDR offtake agreements, promoting sustainable sourcing practices that reduce risks and support global climate goals. CDR.FYI and OPIS, a Dow Jones company, conducted a durable CDR pricing survey, revealing a major gap between buyer willingness to pay and supplier profitability, especially for 2025, with a smaller but notable gap by 2030. After millennia as a carbon deep freezer for the planet, regional hotspots and increasingly frequent wildfires in the northern latitudes have nearly cancelled out that critical storage capacity in the permafrost region, according to a new study. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.